All right, guys, this time we're going to add and subtract polynomials all together in one problem. Ready? Here we go. Whoa. First glance, this looks really overwhelming. I know. But let's take this piece by piece. First, I really want to get rid of these parentheses. Now, I can get rid of the parentheses by doing what we've talked about, distributing that positive 1 and knowing that it won't change anything. But then also, I have to distribute my negative 1, and we know that is going to change our signs. So my first trinomial, nothing was changed to it, so we're just going to carry it down. Well, my second trinomial, when multiplying by positive 1, nothing changed either, so we're going to write that as is. But my last trinomial, I was distributing by negative 1, which we said is going to change our signs. So negative 1 times 6x is a negative 6x squared, and then negative 1 times negative 3x makes it a positive 3x, and then we have negative 1 times positive 2, which gives us a negative 2. Now that we've gotten all those parentheses out of the way, all I have to do is combine my like terms. So let's find all the x squared values. I have 2x squared, 3x squared, and negative 6x squared. So 2x squared plus 3x squared minus 6x squared. Well, that's going to be 5x squared minus 6x squared, which is going to give us a negative x squared. All right, let's look for all those x terms. Well, we have 6x, negative 5x, and a 3x. So I have plus 6x minus 5x plus 3x. Well, 6x minus 5x is x, plus 3x is 4x. And finally, let's round up all those constants. Well, we got a 3, negative 1, and a negative 2. So I have 3 minus 1 minus 2. Well, 3 minus 1 is 2. Minus 2 is 2. And so 3 minus 1 is 2. When 2 minus 2 is 0. So I don't have a constant. So my final answer is going to be negative x squared plus 4x. Let's look at another problem. Let's start off the exact same way. Well, I want to get rid of my parentheses. I have a 6 this time. So I need to distribute the 6 and I have a negative 1 again. And I need to distribute that to both terms. My first binomial doesn't change. Nothing happened to it. But my second binomial is going to change. Because now I'm multiplying by positive 6. I'm using my distributive property to get 6 times x squared as 6x squared, and 6 times negative 3, negative 18. And then over here, I got to distribute that negative 1 to my binomial. So that's negative 1 times x squared, that's negative x squared. Negative 1 times 13, that's negative 13. All right, now that that's out of the way, let's combine those like terms. Find all your x squared values. So I have 3x squared plus 6x squared minus x squared. Well, 3x squared and 6x squared is 9x squared minus x squared is 8x squared. Well, I don't have any x terms, so I'm just going to combine all my constants. I have 4, negative 18, and negative 13. So I have 4 minus 18 minus 13. Well, I know that 4 minus 18 is negative 12. Minus 13 makes this a negative 27. So that is what my polynomial will equal to.